Hello children. How are you? Say, I am fine. Thank you. Very good. You'll have to repeat. Say, I am fine. Thank you. All of you be fine and all of you be good. Do you remember me? Who am I? I am Miss Millie and I am come here to teach you a new poem. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Okay, now this is Mr. Bunny Rabbit and this is a girl. She is asking Mr. Bunny Rabbit to have some tea with her. But Mr. Bunny Rabbit says, no, he doesn't like tea. He likes to eat carrot. Rabbit likes to eat carrot. Now we will learn a new poem. What you'll have to do? You'll have to recite after me. Okay, shall we start? Say, the name of my poem is Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Okay, now we'll start. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Repeat after me. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Will you have some tea? Come on, repeat after me. Will you have some tea? Oh no, thank you. Come on, repeat. Oh no, thank you. Not for me. I'd rather have a carrot. Come on, repeat. I'd rather have a carrot, but I won't have tea. But I won't have tea. Now full poem we are going to recite. Once again, you all listen carefully and learn this poem at home. And then recite this poem in front of your mama, dada, everybody. And they will say, very good. What a lovely poem. Now I'm going to recite once again, full poem. Okay. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Will you have some tea? Oh no, thank you. Not for me. I'd rather have a carrot, but I won't have tea. Thank you. And now you have to learn this poem at home. When you will come back to school, I'm going to ask you this poem. Okay? Bye-bye. Love you.